Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to delete Stake account permanently. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. So first thing you have to do is go to stake.com and sign into your account. Once you're here, go to responsible gambling, so just tap on that and then click on self-exclusion and request self-exclusion. After you click on that, a notification will pop up that says check your email. So let's go to email and just tap on the mail. Once you're here, click on the Start Self-Exclusion. Then you'll be redirected again to Stake account. And there you go, self-exclusion is now updated. This means that your access to the platform is restricted or blocked. So note that you can't log into your account. So this keeps you from gambling, depositing, and etc. So that's it everyone. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!